Hello, friends. Astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. Today is 25th September 2024. We will talk about how the markets played out today, how my predictions played out today, and how my two VIP indicators predicted and are playing as of now. If you are new to my channel and new as a follower, these are the two technical trading indicators we have developed based on machine learning algorithms. So when you use these two technical indicators along with my predictions on the YouTube channel, you will see that your trading experience becomes so amazing and you are always winning the trades. How to join? There's a link in the video description below. Join the platinum membership on the YouTube channel, Astral Astrologer, and then you can go to the membership post to start seeing my predictions and the selected stocks I have given, and then use these two indicators for your daily trading, scalping, swing trading. Now, coming back to the topic, I made a prediction about Micron Technologies, MU, yesterday about their earning reports. And you see my prediction yesterday, I say MU earnings reported expected to bring positive vibes. And there will be a positive earning report given by MU. And we saw today MU came out positive. You see that? Everything is positive. And my indicators have already shown like 2 days ago that there's a bullish trends. And today we saw market going up and MU is pretty much going back to the bullish trends. Now, how to use this indicator? You see, there are two things to it. First is this indicator, which talks about the momentum, okay? Which talks about the momentum, where the momentum is going. And you see here, this green line is showing momentum here on this particular candle. This is a daily chart for MU. But the real momentum, the convincing momentum started from when this particular indicator, this algorithm-based indicator, started to showing the bullish sign. The reason is this: we don't want all the waves. We don't want all the waves in the ocean. We want the biggest wave in the ocean, which is going either bullish or going as bearish. And this is the time when you jump into that trade. Here you see the buy signal is coming. You buy at entry level of 93 and take profit at 105. This is a profit taking line. Now, how this trading indicator works? If you go to the settings, you see there are many features in that. You see feature A, RSI, WT, CCI, ADX, RSI again. So I have a small document. I will put it in a post as well, that how this model, the Lorentzian model, which is known to be the best model, classification model in AI, artificial intelligence algorithm. This model has been very strongly predicting the market trends, but this model itself needs to know where the emotions of the people are, which the other trading houses use the news channels. And what we are doing is we are adding the power of astrology. With my astrological predictions and using this indicator, your success of winning is very, very huge, very, very accurate, above 95%. Now, this indicator primarily uses these many features. It uses RSI, 14 days and 9 days, because we want to know whether when it's predicting the price bull or bearish, we want to know that nothing has been oversold or overbought. So this condition is always checked by this algorithm. Then we see the week trend, how the trend is, how weak or how strong the trend is. Okay. And then we also see few more things, which I'm going to highlight it here. You see that commodity channel index, again, just to gauge the power, the strength of that momentum. And ADX, which is the average directional index, which tells us how big this momentum is. If we compare this with average true range, most of the indicators work on ATR principle, average true range. ATR will tell you the signal buy and sell just based on the momentum on every wave. Okay, just like MACD does or any other simple technical indicators does. But ADX tells you how big this momentum is, so that you're always safeguarded from the fake rallies. Okay, and I'm going to show you back some more examples here. For instance, This is MU, and MU is bullish again. You can buy it right now as I predicted. But let's look at the NVIDIA. Okay, let's look at NVIDIA. My favorite stock. I'm holding 500 units of this stock, and I bought it at 128, to be honest, guys. Okay, and I know it's going to be bullish back. So you see here, this indicator, we start from always looking at the bottom walls. This oscillator indicator is showing bullish. Okay, and then this candle is showing this oscillator indicator saying that the momentum is up. But you see, this indicator, the algorithm indicator, has not given us any bullish sign yet. Why? Because you see this line, the green line, which just crossed the orange line, it's so connected with this orange line. There's no big momentum. This is very, very weak. And if you jump in here, it could be a fake rally. It could be something very, very simple or very, very weak. The trends are not that big because there is no bullish sign here coming, which tells us that the ADX or the weak trends, what is the ratio and how big this wave is. You don't want to jump into any wave. You want to pick the best wave to win again and again and again, either upwards or either downwards. Now you see what happened. This is the daily chart of NVIDIA. You see that? Okay, I'm going to just make some room here. You see, our last imprint on this particular indicator was sell. And it happened on 16th of July. Okay, so 16th July, this indicator. So first this indicator said the trend is reversing downwards. And then this imprint came, that sell. And this was a very good signal that the wave is very much downwards. And if you have sold at this price, if you have sold or went bearish at 120, you would have made profit here at 116, $100. So from 120 till 100, you see the profit booking here happened. Our indicator said that you sell in here and you book profit here. So it hit the profit booking like $20. And if you have a 5 put options, you bought it 5 times 20, how much money you would have made? One option is 500 stocks. Sorry, one option is 100 stocks. So $2,000 easily, right? So this is the profit you would have made in few days, $2,000 easily. Okay. Now you book the profit and then this indicator is going back to waiting game. It is still not showing you the bullish sign because it is still waiting after this downward trend happen, profit booking happen. This is showing bullish, this is showing bullish, but this indicator is still not convinced that this will be a strongest rally which can hold a momentum to that stronger level that you can make money in that. Now, when you go into this kind of situation, okay, what you should be doing? You know that you still want to play. There is an opportunity here, and you know that this indicator is not showing that there's a big momentum. It may be a small momentum. Then the best thing to do is go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, and this is what I do. I compare daily chart with 1 hour chart, and here you see that in 1 hour chart, this bullish sign came in here. You get ready, just ready, because you see the lines are still very thin. Momentum, the waves are coming, but I want to get the biggest wave, I want to ride the biggest wave. So here you get ready, but here you jump in. This is 1 hour chart. It started at this level, 116 level, and then it hit the profit yesterday or day before yesterday, or it hit it right in here at 124 levels. And you can see in here. So if you jumped in here at 116 and you made a profit at 124, you can have bought many call options within the span of 1 hour. So you see that if you have held this position for a couple of, maybe a day and a half, you would have made lots of profits. And many more trades here. Like see this one, get ready, go up, and again here. And then this one is going down. And then it is more like would have hit your stop loss because this was a side trend. It was not a very big trend. And how you confirm this? By looking at this indicator also. You see here, the green, this line jumped upwards. See the gap here. This gap and with this indication shows that this is a huge wave going upwards. So always look at this, but do not jump. When this indicator comes, then jump. If you don't find this indicator in the daily chart, let's say I'm going to go back to the daily chart, and NVIDIA's, the imprint of the bullish sign is still not here, because the waves are there, but it is not convinced that it's a big wave enough. But you want to play this, you want to go to either 1 hour chart or you go to 4 hours chart and then play your game as per what the indicator is telling you. Here also it is waiting because it just hit its target profit booking. See, it started here. Again, you see this oscillator said, I am going bullish, trend reversal, but you jump at this line and here you jump and here you book the profits. Again, a very, very successful trade. So daily chart, you can do 2 hours also if that meets your criteria, 1 hour, 2 hour. 1 hour is easy because not many traders are doing 1 hour and getting in and out of trade is easy. So in 2 hour, you see this is a bullish, but then it didn't work out to that long because the lines were not having much of the gap. And then it might have hit the stop loss. So, but this one is still not sure in 2 hours chart whether to go bullish or not to go bullish. So this one was perfect trade in 2 hours chart. This one was perfect trade in 2 hours chart. This was a perfect trade in 2 hours chart, so on and so forth. You can see many, many trades out of 10 trades, at least 8 or 9 would have been winning trades. If you are a very big and very strong trader or a prudent trader who can quickly jump in and jump out, then the 5-minute scalping is there. Okay, so you can go to 5 minutes and here you can play a game. And you see here you enter and here's the profit booking happened. Last 5 minutes today market. And you see in here how big this trade has been. You jump in here. See again, this is saying there's a wave, but is it a good wave or not a good wave? We don't know yet. But this says that very, very good wave. Go for it. Here it is. This is the downward trends. Good wave downwards. You make money in that. Here it is upwards. Here it is downwards. So you see this one, huge. And even in 5 minutes, if you have a quick in and out way of coming in the market, you are a prudent trader, you can play with this very, very easily. And now also use, let's say I'm going to go back to MU. Let's go to BTC. You see in BTC, I'm going to open the 1 day chart. So for Bitcoins, I predicted that the range will remain between 58 and 65. And you see that here, Bitcoins is bullish from this particular sign, this particular signal. It says that buy at 60 and take profit at 67. So we are at today close to 64,856. Now you see this line here gone upwards and there's a gap between orange line and green line. This means momentum is high and this indicator confirmed it, our algorithm based. Very strong momentum. You buy it here and we bought it here. Okay, I bought the Bitcoins here. I may not wait till this line profit taking, which is 67. Why? Because astrologically I predicted that sun has moved out of the nakshatra and the range is like more comfortable till 65. After that 65 to 67 range, a lot of people will be booking profit and selling off. So I rather will wait another day to see if this line is dropping downwards. That means the momentum is shrinking or it is going sideways. I will rather quit at this 65K level. So even if I jumped at 60 and I move out at 65K, I'm still making $5,000 worth of profit within few days. Again, this is how you play the daily chart of Bitcoins. What I'm playing right now, if you are a very good trader, you can do 1 hour. You can do 2 hours. So all you do is wait for this sign first, bullish, and then you play the game. Okay, and here you see this momentum was again capturing this sign to this sign and it went up till here, right? So this is, you see how many big trades happen. But don't only play with the technical indicators. First, read my predictions. What is the range I'm giving? Where I'm saying bullish, where I'm saying bearish. Then wait for this sign. Okay, don't play all the games. Don't play bullish, bearish, zigzag, zigzag. Play one trade, 2 trades a day and be winner. That's all. You need one big wave to be winner. You don't need 10 small waves to be winner. Rather, the more trades you play, the more you lose because of the commissions and everything and the bid and ask spread. So that takes the money out. That's the slippages of money happens. Now look at the gold. We could look at the gold also. You see that GLD is the index what we play. And you see in the daily chart, gold has also hit our targets. You see that gold was bullish right in here. Okay. And after that, many zigzag happens. But our indicator kept saying that it's a bullish trend. Keep going upwards and you hit the target here. And then it's now waiting for the next bullish target. So you see that this is showing bullish, but it's not a very big wave to continue to give you the direction on this particular indicator. Okay. So similarly for other also, like for silver, let's see that. We know it's going to go up, and you see that this indicator said yes, get ready. And the moment this came, you went up, and then you buy it here, buy at $30, and then the take profit at this particular level, which is 33. So if you just go down there and you can see that. Also, always have the volume profile in your chart. I mean, we look at from our algorithm based where the volume is, but you see the volume, this red line is showing where the volume is, where most of the buying and selling is happening. And as the prices go up, the volume is drying down. That means not many traders are either buying or selling at this price. Okay. So volume profile also helps you determine whether you should be buying or selling. But as I said, our indicator has also baked into those features how the trend is weak or strong, RSI overbought, oversold. We have a shorter, faster RSI also, which calculates where in the 9 days period or 9 candle period is showing the overbought and oversold conditions. So, my dear friends, this is how you play. Bitcoins is very good to book your profits. MU is coming back to the profit, to the bullish range, and you see that. You can add it to your stocks, to your portfolio. There's a lot of volume here, here. So that means the price can easily go up to this level. But you should book your profit here if you're a swing trader. But if you are a prudent or a long-term investor, then let it hold your position, and maybe it will come down a couple of times, but it will go up and up because the AI, artificial intelligence, boom is still there. This is how you play. And again, with technical indicators and astrological predictions, things becomes literally changed. It's a game changer. The big trading houses, they use the same indicators, same classification models, and they add the news to know the sentiments of the markets. Instead of adding news, we are adding astrology. We are checking the moon cycle, moon nakshatras, lunar day, lunar nights, speed of the planets, longitude of the planets, latitude of the planets, to know where the emotions of the people are, fear versus greed. And this is what you see back to back. If you see my today's prediction about the market, you see in here for this week, we predicted week of 23rd, and today's 25th. And you see that I mentioned that sudden and sharp price movements, fear and volatility will reign, leading to roller coaster markets with potential mixed bullish outcomes. And what we saw the same thing happening here. We saw Dow Jones went to the bearish mode. It started with the bullish. Nasdaq ended in bullish. There's a lot of roller coaster happened today. If you see the chart, 1 hour chart, you will see how many times the prices went up and down for Dow Jones or for S&P or for Nasdaq. See, a lot of roller coaster happen. So this is the same thing. Same thing happened what we predicted. Again, I'm not saying that I was 100% accurate. I was still expecting all three indices to be bullish. But what happened is Dow Jones went into the bearish sign. Why? Because today, Ketu and Rahu both are putting their Veda on the moon, right? So Ketu and Rahu putting Veda on the moon. So Rahu is the passion, is a greed, and Ketu is a fear. So both prevail today in the market. And this is what I predicted. 96% accuracy is very strong accuracy. 4% we give it to God. I'm not claiming to be the God of markets, God of the universe. Any science, even you go to medical hospitals, doctors, 95% accuracy is considered to be the best accuracy. Rest is God willing. Okay? So anybody says they are 100% accurate, it's not possible. But believe in me, believe in my indicators. You are not paying me anything. I am putting money in your pocket by making you successful traders, and you are just giving me your blessings and your love by being my premium subscriber, acknowledging that I'm your guru. I will teach you option trading also. I will teach you many other trades also. I can give you more indicators, algorithm based, which can give you more indication to jump in the market. But again, the point is not to get into the every wave. The point is to get the one biggest and the best wave. The strength of the wave should be there to give you the maximum profits. I have tested many, hundreds of these algorithms. I belong to an IT group. I have huge experience in robotics and artificial intelligence. I have a whole team working on this. Give us your feedback so we can improve more on this. We can add more things into it. And one day we will make an indicator which has astrology connected to it. Once we get the astrological data, what we need to combine into this indicator. Then you don't need to read my astrological forecast because the indicators will already have that baked in and one of the 3 or 4 features as an astrology. And we are working on it very hard. Okay. So again, my dear friends, you are not paying me anything. I'm putting money in your pocket. I want to make you successful, very successful trader. 2 things matters when you're trading. One is how you trade based on who's your mentor, who's your guru, what indicators, what predictions you're following. Second is your instinct. If you're still losing money, get your personal horoscope analyzed through me or through a good astrologer. Because if you are not having a disciplined approach, your emotions come into the play, you take rash decisions, or you don't follow the whole system, then that means your chart has a problem, that you will not be able to accumulate wealth in your life. You will lose through your investments, especially through speculative investments. So it's always good to know your strength and your weaknesses. Wear some gemstones to increase your power, manifestation, increase your aura. You can do some mantra chantings. There are many, many ways you can increase the financial perspective of your life through astrology. Again, Astrologer Mohnish, my dear friends, feel free to leave me your comments, your feedback. And again, you can share your ideas within the community by your comments. This video is being released for the members first, and then it will go public. So feel free to write your comments, like it, send me your love and blessings. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay awakened. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you for watching.